welcome to my channel. And if you are here, you are most likely a business owner, marketing manager, sales manager, or customer service manager. Which is why in this video, I will be sharing you a very powerful tool to grow your team, to grow your business, and manage everything more seamlessly. Alright, so this platform is called ChatDaddy. You can go through their website to understand more, but I'll get started right away. Alright, so you can actually sign up with Google or your phone number or WhatsApp. Alright, so if you want to sign up with phone number, you can just put in your full name, password, click sign up. This is where you can connect your phone number, right, as your login. Key in your phone number and receive the OTP, go through the whole onboarding process. Because I have created an account already, I will skip this step. So when you log into your ChatDaddy account, this is what you'll be seeing. ChatDaddy is an omni-channel platform where they pioneer in WhatsApp channel, right? So they even have WhatsApp business and personal. Most of the platform only have WhatsApp business API, which is the official integration, right? They also provide Instagram, Facebook, calling, email, and SMS. But as of recording in 2025, email, SMS, and calling is only outbound, one-way outreach to client. So in this video, I'll go through some of ChatDaddy's powerful features and how you can straight away use it to improve your operations, your sales, your conversions. All right. So on the left panel, you can see there is home, contact management, inbox, calls, and automation. Okay. So I'll focus on inbox and automation at the moment. So if you go to inbox, manage channels, this is an example of how we manage multiple channels on a single platform, right? On the top right, click add channel. You can integrate WhatsApp business or personal by clicking this. All right. So these are the advantages and limitation. All the platform have their own pros and cons. So please go through this, acknowledge this, and connect. So for normal WhatsApp, you can either scan QR code just like how you scan your WhatsApp to web WhatsApp, or link with phone number, right? So here, key in your phone number, click continue, and there should be a pop-up on your mobile to enter this code to link a new device, right? So key in this and wait for it to connect. So if you want a more stable, more official WhatsApp, you can go for WhatsApp Business API. If you want to know more about the difference, go to this video on my channel. If you select WABA, all right, advantages and limitations, it will actually redirect you to Facebook to link your WhatsApp. Because if you not already know, WhatsApp is acquired by Meta as well. So this is the first very important solutions for a lot of businesses, is to have all these channels in one single platform. So the team can manage different clients from different sources. All right, so this is the first one. Other than that, there's also this team setting where you can invite teammates, right? So here in this account, we have 16 teammates managing all the WhatsApp and Facebook and Instagram channels that you have seen just now. So all of them can go to inbox, reply to clients, call clients, etc. So imagine your sales team, your customer service, your marketing, your operation team, your finance team can talk to the client using one platform. It will help you save a lot of time communicating with each other, because everyone already know where this client is at, what they want, how to help your clients to move forward in their customer pipeline. All right, going to inbox, here is where all the operations, the replies, the messaging happens. Okay, I'll use my number as an example. When you click this, when you click the contact, it actually looks like WhatsApp, right? So you can type something here, and you can also open the contact information for more details of this client, right? So first, we can manually reply to clients. Hi, this is David. Or you can actually set up your quick replies. How do you trigger the quick replies is by typing / and all the templates are stored here. For example, we'll be sending this WhatsApp inquiry. So it will send out, okay, an image and this message with buttons, all right? And there is some more automation happening behind this, which is auto tagging, auto assign, all this can be done as well. So this is the first thing that all businesses actually needs to learn, to give each departments a set of templates on how to respond to client. So the whole training and onboarding process for all departments is easy, right? For example, for our customer service team, they have a set of templates. For our sales team, they have a set of templates. And when we train them, it is easy to learn and the conversion rate will be more consistent. Because imagine everyone is using their own way, replying, closing clients, then it's very hard to build your business system actually. So you can use quick replies to answer to clients. And there's a note here. So this note, yellowish color message bubble, is for internal communication only. So imagine you have multiple teammates, right? I can tag my teammate. Hi Trang, please follow up this client. Okay, I can also tag my, let's say, finance team. Please send invoice. Okay, so these messages can be only seen by internal teammates. Trang can see it, Stephanie can see it, but your client won't be able to see it. They can only see the green bubble. And on the right side, there's this contact information. So you can actually add tags, right? So this client is from WhatsApp. This client is a VIP. It works exactly for the same purpose as WhatsApp business labeling. So you can categorize your client, and when you want to do reporting, for example, if you are a marketing team, you want to know how many clients are from WhatsApp, from Instagram, from Facebook, from website, you can actually add a tag and look at your analytics dashboard. So one more thing which is very helpful for customer service and sales team is this, right? So you can actually schedule this message to follow up with clients. Sometimes they say, oh, I'm on leave till, let's say, next Monday, right? I can schedule this to send in 5 days or 6 days. Then they can receive it when they are back on office. And one more thing, if you have multiple teammates, you can actually assign this client manually or automatically to your teammates, right? So right now I manually assign to Trang, so she will receive a notification saying that, okay, this guy, please attend to him. As a manager, this inbox setting is very important. I always recommend my clients to open this incognito mode. What it does is to not read your message, right? Let me show you what I mean. For example, there is this message notification telling you that you have a message to attend. If I have my incognito mode open, tick, when I click this message, it won't read the message, right? But if I untick it, if I click it, it will be read, right? So as a manager, please make sure you have this incognito mode on when you want to check how your team is responding, if they have missed out anything, or even sometimes they need help or they are on leave to respond to the client. You can come here and help without affecting their daily operation. Okay, so here are some of the filters that you can do. For example, I only want to look at VIP clients, then it will automatically filter VIP clients. Or you want to filter only unread messages. So these are the messages that your team have to attend to quickly. Otherwise, client will be frustrated. And I mentioned about the automated assigning feature as well. This is how you can set it up. You can go to manage channel, click the 3 dots here, click settings. And these are some of the settings, but the most helpful one I think is this, right? So if you want to auto assign incoming chats, you can set it via round robin or smart assign, right? So this is the simple setup. You can do it. Or if you only want to assign outgoing chats, you can do it as well. Some business workflows work like this. After this inbox, I think all businesses must learn about automation. So yeah, you can set up keyword replies, offline bots, broadcast, integrating with other platforms using our direct integration or Zapier. So the current one ChatDaddy has, if you are a Shopify user, WooCommerce user, if you use Google Form, Google Sheet, Stripe Payment, or any other of these features, you can integrate directly. Otherwise, you can use Zapier or even webhook and APIs. In this video, I want to go through about these automation message flows. And yeah, let's create a new flow, start from scratch, and there will be two buttons here, right? So either you can start with a message or with a trigger. Let's start with a message first. So what you can do, you can, okay, there's a hidden feature here, link to ChatGPT. You can prompt something. Help me write a WhatsApp welcome message for my business. I am selling cars, second-hand cars, for example. Okay, highlight everything, and this will show up. Okay, you can ask ChatDaddy AI. Okay, so you can do this. Okay, welcome to change your name, right? Let's say David Auto, right? Your trusted destination for quality second-hand cars, blah blah, right? You can add images, videos if any. What's really cool is that you can add voice note, right? So to make it not so robotic, you can do something like this. After you say welcome, choose next step, and then message, add a voice note. Allow this time. Hi, welcome to David Auto. Let me know what car you are looking for and if you have any budget. Okay, so I can have this actually. This time, hi, welcome to David Auto. So imagine you don't have to send this audio for 100 times when your leads are coming into a WhatsApp. Everything is automated, right? Let me add an image. All right, the best image size is square, so it will be seen on phone, on browser, everywhere on WhatsApp, right? So you can have this delay node for, let's say, 5 seconds. All right, what's more is that you can add buttons. If you are using normal WhatsApp, okay, which means the non-WABA or WhatsApp Business API WhatsApp, these buttons will be sent as posts. All right, and you can't use URL or phone number. But if you are using WhatsApp Business API, these will be actual buttons, and you can add links and call phone numbers, right? So let's say I'm looking for SUVs, looking for sedan. Okay, so when client click on these buttons, you can actually send the next message. We have this list of SUVs with us now. Okay, so you can attach a PDF, right? So imagine if you're running ads, all the clients that come through your ads can be informed immediately the information they would like to ask, compared to your competitors where they need to wait for 3-4 hours or even next day. Only then they can reply to the clients, right? Replying immediately already help you win a miles compared to other competitors who doesn't have automation. All right, so some businesses will ask, oh, this is the era of AI, why am I doing automation? Which is very good question. I will share about ChatDaddy AI when in the next video maybe. But if you don't have the set of knowledge or the templates or the workflow on automation, it's very hard to migrate to AI if you have nothing. You can let the AI simply reply, but that will come with some business risk as well. All right, so from my experience, if you are not very well prepared for AI, don't have all the knowledge bases, go for automation first, because this can promise you more consistent results. All right, so as a business owner, as a marketing, sales, CS, we want to get result closing tickets sooner, higher conversion rates, never waste a leads, right? So this is some of the tools. So automation can actually help you get there, right? So other than having buttons, this delay message also helps you to follow up, right? So normally for the first message, I will do a 1 hour follow up and cancel message if reply received. So what it means is that if client is not responsive, they did not click anything, they did not reply, then I will send this. Help me write follow up message. Same thing, highlight it as ChatGPT, and okay, this is what they provided. Hi, I want to follow up to see whether you received my welcome message, right? So maybe this is shit. Hi, if you have any questions or need assistance regarding our second-hand cars, feel free to reach out. Right? So this can be your, what is that called, follow-up message with images. Oh, even with audio follow-up is really good, right? So what you can do, edit, change the name, click save, and you are done. Right? So this one can be triggered everywhere. So if I want to go to inbox, go to VIP slash send this message out, can do as well. So let me respond on my phone. Okay, let me click looking for SUVs. Alright, so something happened here. First, when I click the button, it replied we have this list of SUVs, and the follow-up message actually cancelled because client replied, right? This feature alone can help you save so many clients that actually ghost you. And the best practice is actually follow up 3 times for new leads. All right. Some clients actually do 7 times, 13 times. It differentiates in different industries. So don't be too annoying asking the same thing. Provide value instead of just chasing them for an answer. Alright, so this automation, you can set it up on keyword reply if you're running ads. So it is very good for ads. What's more, you can also broadcast this message, right? So let's say I have 26,000 contact. I only want to broadcast to my VIPs, and I have only 4 contact tag as VIP. Alright, you can select a flow, build a flow just like what you see just now, or let me check this, no, promotion. All right, so this client actually sell Manol brand, which is a Germany brand in Indonesia, and they send out these promotions and get very good conversion rates, right? They are a B2B business. So let's say this is your template. You can select which number you want to send it through, the campaign name. So let's say this is Christmas promotion, right? And if you are not using WhatsApp Business API, please select the safest to avoid your WhatsApp getting banned. Otherwise, if you are using WhatsApp Business API, you can go for fastest, or even this one, 120 messages per minute. If the setup is good, I can schedule it. Let's say Christmas Eve, 24th, 5 p.m. Right? I can schedule and I can save and schedule in 2 weeks. If I click this, right? Please understand this one. If your WhatsApp got banned by not following our suggestions, then it's not on us, right? So if I click understand, it will be scheduled. All right. So this is the second thing I would like to share, and I would like to go more in depth about automation. So just now when we create a new flow, I actually click message. So message, you can use it in different parts. Let's say keyword reply, quick replies, broadcast, this and that, right? Even shop notification, you can use message. But if you want more advanced automation, you can click triggers, right? So if you want to have incoming messages, all incoming messages, reply something, you can click this. If you want to reply to only new chats or new contacts, you can do this as well. Because we have CRM, so if there's a ticket created or updated, you can trigger some messages, so on and so forth. So for example, voice call completed. After you have called the client, understand what is their requirement, send them an automated message. Even Facebook and Instagram comment, right? So if someone commented on your Facebook and Instagram, you can reply to those users directly as well. So let's start with incoming message. Okay, next step, and normally I'll do this condition. Okay, so if the text contains I want to know more. Okay, this happens most often from your Facebook ads. So if you're running Facebook ads or WhatsApp ads or Instagram ads, you can actually set this. What's more, you can also specify which channel. Let's say this messenger channel. All right, so I want to know more from messenger channel. If this condition met, then I will reply 123. Okay, because I've set the messenger channel already, so what I can do here is to start a flow, and this flow is messenger inquiry, right? So if if there's incoming messages and this condition is met, send this message messenger inquiry. If none match, or you can set more condition, right? I can set, let's say, check another condition, which is Instagram. Then I will reply Instagram. Okay, if not Messenger and Instagram, most likely is from WhatsApp. Then I will select WhatsApp. Alright, so these are some of the more advanced triggers with conditions that you can set up. If you need help on all this setup, you can reach out to ChatDaddy's team. They will send you the tutorial, or you can hire them to build a high converting funnel actually. Alright, going back to the main page, I've shared the 3 most important features or solution from my perspective to help a business grow. So if you have any questions, leave it in the comment below, or you can reach out to ChatDaddy team to understand more. If you think this kind of videos is helpful, please leave a subscribe, comment anything you would like to ask. Let's have an open discussion whether this tool can help you grow your business. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.